Hello, and thank you for stopping by our channel here on YouTube. Today, we are going to go through the steps necessary to restore a Gmail account that has been permanently erased. Experiences like being locked out of your Gmail account may be extremely annoying and stressful for users. However, there are a few different techniques to attempt to restore data from an account that has been erased permanently. To begin, you should attempt to use the Gmail account recovery form. You may restore a deleted Gmail account by going to the account recovery website, https://accounts.google.com/signin/recovery, and entering the email address or phone number that was linked with the account. To authenticate your identity and attempt to regain access to your account, simply follow the on-screen directions. In the event that the account recovery form does not work, you can get assistance by contacting Gmail support. https://bit.ly/3xybsej. You will be required to submit evidence that you are the owner of the account, such as a copy of a government-issued identification card, the recovery email address or phone number that is linked with the account, or both. It is crucial to keep in mind that if the account was deleted because of a breach of the terms of service for Gmail, there is a possibility that it cannot be recovered. In addition, if there has been too much time after the account was removed, the data associated with the account may have been erased irretrievably and cannot be retrieved at this point. You will, however, improve your chances of regaining access to your deleted Gmail account if you follow the instructions outlined in this article. Thank you for viewing, and please remember to subscribe to our channel so that you may view such instructive videos in the future.